These systems are still not very large in space, and especially depending on which orbit you're in, they would be so that they would not be blocking the total specific location, generally speaking. So unless they're in geo, in the general sense, it have a limited footprint in space, despite the fact that they're very large in space because they're very far.
Yeah, so you've probably heard in various reports in the media that space is getting crowded, and there's a chance that things can run into one another and cause debris and destruction and so forth. But that's what all the discussions related to that pretty much are related to low Earth orbit. And we, in our demonstration mission, flew in low Earth orbit simply because that was the fastest way for us to demonstrate something in space. But the deployment of the system would very likely happen in not in LEO, low Earth orbit, or GEO, geostationary orbit, but in between, in what's called a MEO orbit. So it's relatively far from the Earth, and thousands of kilometers from the Earth, and in a zone that is not very well populated with spacecraft, and such that the number of spacecraft would have a very small occlusion of the solid angle.